From last few days, the news of Assam-Mizoram border clashes is appearing in the newspapers. Recently, on July 26, a standoff took place between the Assam and Mizoram armed policemen at Barrington, Mizoram, which took 6 lives and left over 50 injured. In this video, we will try to understand the broader aspects of the standoff. First, we will see the historical background of the states. At the time of independence, the northeastern India consisted of Assam and the princely states of Manipur and Tripura. Subsequently, Nagaland in 1963, Meghalaya in 1972, Arunachal Pradesh in 1975, and Mizoram in 1987 got their statehood and carved out of the large territory of Assam. Now, Assam and Mizoram share a boundary of about 165 kilometers. The border districts in Assam are Kachar, Karimganj, and Hailakandi, while those in Mizoram are Aizawl, Kolasib, and Mamit. Now we will try to understand the background of the dispute. The issue owed its existence to border demarcations done in past, precisely the demarcations done in 1875 and in 1933. We will discuss both the demarcations one by one and then we'll see the standpoints of Mizoram and Assam. The first one, we will look at the demarcation of 1875. The 1875 demarcation was done by British as inner line boundary of the Lusai Hills, which was fixed on the southern border of Assam's Kachar district, and it was done in line with colonial practice of fixing borders, largely using natural markers such as rivers and hills. It made a clear demarcation between Kachar Plains, present day in Assam, and Lusai Hills, which was later came to be known as Mizoram. While the boundary demarcation of 1933 was drawn by British Survey of India along the linguistic and tribal lines, marking the boundary between Lusai Hills and Manipur. It started at the tri-junction of Lusai Hills, Kachar district and Manipur. When Mizoram was carved out of Assam, the 1933 demarcation became the basis. Since then, Mizoram people are alleging that some parts of Lusai Hills are sown in Manipur and some parts in Assam. Mizoram considers the state boundary according to demarcation of 1875, while Assam goes by the map drawn by British Survey of India in 1933. So there comes a contested area by both the states and it gives birth to a dispute. There have been many rounds of talks between the two states to resolve the issue. However, the issue has not been resolved as of now. There have been alleged transgressions from both the sides over the decades and which are leading to such type of incidents. However, amicable solutions can only be reached through the talks. Since the areas are inhabited, a people-centric approach will lead the way.